Hi, good day. Today I'm going to demonstrate installing Windows Server 2008 in a virtualized environment. Here we will be using Sun's Microbox. It's a very nice virtualization software. I have it already installed in my machine, so I'm just going to open it up here. Wait a little bit. Right. This is the user interface we will be dealing with to install the Windows Server 2008. Right, so you click on New, you go on Next. Here you're going to type the name of the image that you want to. Alright, so you're just going to put in Server 2008. Alright, the operating system is Microsoft Windows. The version, we're going to go down to Windows 2008. Click Next. Right here we're going to leave the base memory as default, which is 512. And here we're going to create a new hard disk. Click Next. We're going to leave it as dynamically expanding storage, right? Because it occupies a very small amount of space on your physical hard disk. It's 20 gigs. We can leave it at 20 gigs. Just click Next for installation and Next again. And finish. And now here you will see Windows Server 2008 is currently powered off. So you can just highlight it and click on the Start button. Right, and here we reach the actual interface where we are going to be installing the Windows 2008 server. Click on OK. Next. And here we are pointing the file. We are pointing to the file where we have the Windows 2008 ISO. I have it on my desktop. You just point to the ISO image here. Click Next. Finish. Now basically the simple installation process is on the way. Alright, here we can see it starting up. Alright, this is just like a basic installation of any operating system. Alright, here we are going to select the language, which is English. The currency, we can leave it as English, right? We're going to install now. Alright, here we're going to do the full installation. Windows Server Enterprise, full installation. Click Next. Just click I accept license terms, custom advanced. And here we have the option to format our hard disk. When we format our hard disk, we can allocate space to the Windows drive, and we can allocate space to a separate drive, right? So if you want to do that, if you want to format the hard disk and have two separate drives, which is recommended because you can have the Windows files separate from the rest of the files on the server. Alright, so you click on Advanced, you see New, you can go on New, and here we can allocate what like the size that we want the other disk to be. So if you want, you can just highlight it and click on 10,000 megabytes, I guess, right? But we're not going to go through all of that right now. Cancel. We're going to leave it as default, 20 gigs, and click Next. Alright, now the installation is on the way. We will get back to this in a while. Alright, we are back here again. We're near the completion of the Windows 2008 server. It's just completing installation, sorry. Now it's saying that Windows need to restart to continue. So the installation is nearly complete. So it's just going to restart here. So we'll just wait a while for the operating system to start. Alright, we are back here again. Windows operating system is just setting up the Windows 2008, and it's just completing the installation here. We should be over in a couple of seconds. Alright, our Windows Server 2008 has finished installing and the machine now restarted again. And in a few seconds we shall see the log on screen, which should be any time now. We're just waiting a little while for it here to start up. Okay, here our Windows is in progress. We have progress on our installation, and it's stating that the password must be changed before logging on for the first time. Just gonna check that box there. Click OK. You can set your password here. And hit enter. And you see your password has been changed. And it's applying your desktop, it's applying settings, and we have a successful installation of Windows 2008 server on our VM software, which is Oracle VirtualBox. Right, so here we are on the desktop of Windows Server 2008. In another video, I will be installing Active Directory, creating a domain, joining other clients to the domain, to the Windows 2008 domain. I'll be setting up a domain, and you can stay tuned for those videos. Alright, here we can see the normal configuration. You have the roles which you can perform here, and that will be shown in another video.